What's up, everybody? I'm Albie13. Okay, let's go ahead and do our demo here. We have large file.csv. We can see it's 962 megabytes or 985 megabytes, whatever it is. All right, let's go ahead and open that with Notepad. Edit in Notepad. You can see that Notepad is dead. It's not responding. Anyway, you already want to see the text data. So, Notepad is not responding. Bye-bye. Okay? So, now let me go ahead and load my program that I created. Okay, we're looking at the program that I created, a Python program called SplitPad. It's a split notepad. It's intended to view large files, text files, and what it does is it loads only part of the text file at any given time. As you scroll down and through it, it loads the next part of the text file, so it's an intelligent system in that way. Well, let's go ahead and load our large file. Okay, so we go ahead and load our file, and we see that there's going to be percentage and page that you're looking at. Page numbers are not really calculated like page numbers. I think we're looking at parts of the file. There are 9,856 parts of the file that we can look at. So we're going to go ahead and just scroll through. We can just see some of the data here, what it looks like. We can see it's got lines. We have our menu and stuff, all the typical Notepad stuff. But the important part is when you scroll down, you can see the text, and then it's going to actually load in the new data at the bottom. What it's intended to happen is it's supposed to get rid of the data at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll now and let it scroll. We'll see that we're at 2% of the file, a bit more or less. I just created this program today, but we're actually scrolling through the data. We're at 3%. We're at part 300 of 9,000, just to give you some example numbers. So we're actually loading in the data on the fly, and it's loading it actually quickly. Obviously, I have a good computer, but even still, the problem is not the processing power. The problem is the program. Notepad is a program. I love it. I've always loved it, but man, is that a shortcoming. So whenever you want to look at something in text, look at a file as text or an extremely large text file, it's been a nightmare in Windows. So that's basically it. Going through, we're at 9% and going, and then it's supposed to be showing you basically the bytes of data that you are at. I think I was going to change it to do megabytes instead of just the bytes of data. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.